Good night, guys. Marty's the Gathering Place here. Tonight, box opening is sponsored by Distribution Leo. Descriptions are gonna be in the link also. Please check out his eBay store and Facebook group page. All basically these cards are gonna be on there to sell after this break is done. So tonight, where we're gonna open is Iconic Masters. Some really good cards that we can pull in here. It's actually a really good box. Let's get cracking. Always liked the Master Series from the original one up to the latest ones being Modern Horizon 2. Let me know in the comments what's basically your favorite Masters box that you guys opened. Mine, I would say, probably Modern Horizon 2017 one was probably the best for me. That's where actually the first time they reprinted the Zendikar fetches. Oh, let me share the bubble here. Very good. First rare, Restoration Angel. Not the best. Doorkeeper, and it's okay. Iconic Master still expansion expensive box basically. Around almost $400. Opposite ballot, not the best one. I'll leave the Stampede. There's some decent cards in this set that you can pull basically. Mana Drain being one of them. Oh, Bloodgas. Nice. Oh, and a foil Obstinate Belt. Avacyn Angel Hope is also a good pull. You have all the Predators, all the 5 colors that are just decent mythic pulls. Also. Crucible of Fire. Dragon's Lord Servant as your foil. The only thing I didn't like about those master sets is you only have 24 packs. It would be fun that they would have done it like a Modern Horizon, basically. Having 35 packs, if I'm not mistaken. Spirit Monger. That's kind of weak. Chronicler Zeros. And your token. If they would have gone with this concept of 34, 36 packs from the start, like they did with Modern Horizon 1 and 2, I found that would have been much more successful. I know basically you have a lot of big hits in here that you can do. Hypersonic Dragon, not the best. Undercity Troll. There's a lot of uncommons that are worth a couple dollars in this set. Oh, Lush, no, or Grand Cinnabite. That's one of the bigger hits. Furnace Whelp foil. Like on my previous videos, I'm not pricing anything. I'm not editing. Basically, what you see is what you get. So far, I have. This will be my 4th box break on this channel. Oh my god, Mana Drain. Wow. This is amazing. This is the most expensive card that you can get in this box. Wow, and we just got it within the first packs of this box. This is crazy. Nimbus Maze, not worth a lot. Disenchant foil. Replace this. Oh, such a thrill to open packs like that, boxes. Always fun. Pumps up your adrenaline. Never know what you're gonna open, basically. Oh, Kakusho. That's a really good card. I remember when that came out in Kamigawa back in the day. One of, I find, my best times as a player. That Kamigawa block was really good. Kind of really happy that they came back with it in Neon Dynasty. Memory Angel. Foil Cylinder Attention Memory. Bird Token. Into the uncommons. And we get a Melfugor. Not the best rare you want there. Comes Genesis Cycle. That is not what we want to get. I find they should make like a master set with like all good hits. I know that would probably be crazy expensive, but like every pack here is sure to have something of value. I know $5 and up. Root Scared Demon, too bad that's not what it used to be worth. Path of Bravery 4, ooh, that's good. I remember Rune Scared Demon being like almost $20 back a couple of years back. Again, all the pricing I'm talking about is in Canadian, as I am in Canada. Uncommons. Oh, Flusterstrom. Yeah, that's about $10-15 easily. Last pack, second row. Oh, it's a bird. It's not that bad as a box. Commons. Oh, Tautsies. Oh, that's really nice. That's about a $20 card. Resoul. Oh, having problems with this one. No. wanting to get open. Jugan the Rising Star. Oh, Mindstone Foil. I love Mindstone. I think I put that card in almost every commander deck I have. This is a good 2 mana rock. Uncommons. Path of Bravery. Not the best rare. Your foil and your token. Okay. Uncommons. Oh, nice. Concentrated Sphinx. That's a very good hit. About $30 Canadian. Fractal Drake. And your token. Next pack. Oh, Glimpse of Nature. Not Glimpse of Nature. Glimpse of the Invincible. Very good card. Not too sure on value anymore. Probably a $10 it. Or if not more. Remember when that card came out in the original Ravnica. Oh, Lotus Cobra. Decent. Oh my god. Look at this, Joe Moss. You want this? You want this? If you want this, leave me a comment and I'll send it to you. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Oh, Sanguine Bond. I'm not sure, but I'm sure this is a couple bucks. Oh, Cryptic Command. Love this card. Oh my god. Has so much play in lots of different formats. Remember when that actually I remember if you were around, or when they had player rewards. The more that you assisted like tournaments or stuff like that, they would send you those cards in the mail. And at one point they actually did a Ramping Ballot, a textless version of this card that has basically 4 different abilities that you choose to. So if you're not really familiar with that card and you're actually playing with it, and then you're, oh, I'll do this, and I'll do this, and then I'll do that, and then, but it has no text on it. So I don't think that was the best idea from Wizard when they did that. Supreme Verdict and a Johnny Pride made to be for your last will. So basically the big hits. Protector Sphinx, Tapped Seas, Flusterstorm. Kush's a decent hit. Mandarin, of course. Ellis Schnorr. Yeah, I would say that's... Well, you can put Cryptic Command in there. And... Blood Gas is about $10, $15. So basically, this is I would say a good box, not a wow box, but a good box. And like we have 3 mythic cards that we got in here, and some decent value rares. I would say that was a really good box opening. So thank you guys. Like, subscribe, comment. I like doing these videos here, opening them, trying to do them once a week, if not maybe more. So I hope you enjoy the content, and please visit Distribution Lego. Again, I'll put the information in the description. Look at their eBay page and Facebook group to be able to purchase any cards from this break or other breaks I'm gonna do also. And they got a bunch of stuff on there. And so thank you very much, and have a good night, guys. Thank you, and see you next time.